Hi class 7. Today is 8th of May. I have taught you in my previous class already. I have started with articles chapter and I have told you about the use of indefinite articles. And today in this class I am going to teach you about the definite article. Okay. So students, please take out page number 39 of your book. Okay. Uses of the definite article. Definite article means the. Use of the. So what we are going to learn about here, that is how to use the article the. So we can use the when we talk about a particular person or thing. When we are talking about any particular person or thing, that time we can use the before that person or thing's name. Like example is given in your book. See, the book you want is out of print, means the particular book it is talking about. So when it is talking about a particular book that which is out of print, so that time we are using the article the. Then let's go to the park. Here the park means a particular park in the town. So like this, when we are referring to a particular person or thing, we use the article the. Then second, when a singular noun is meant to represent a whole class. Here example, see, the cat loves comfort. Here a singular noun is cat. Before a singular noun we are putting the. And here the cat is referring to the whole class of the cat. Okay, that means all the cat they loves comfort. So when we want to represent a whole class, that time we put the before the cat, before that animal. So here we are representing with a singular noun, we are representing a whole class. So like this, like the horse is a noble animal, then the rose is the sweetest of all flowers. These are all referring to a class of things. Then thirdly, you see, before some proper names, there are many proper names. Before the proper names we use the. Okay, so what are those proper names? Today we will learn. Like for example, when we say the name of any ocean, we say the Pacific Ocean, then the Black Sea. Before the name of the sea we say the Black Sea, or the Atlantic Ocean, or the Arabian Sea, like this. So we use the before the ocean and the name of the seas. Okay, then before the name of the rivers, please look at the board. So before the name of the rivers also we use the, like the Ganga, the Nile. Then before the names of the canals we write the, like the Suez Canal. Okay, then before the name of the deserts, like the Sahara. Okay, then before the name of group of islands, when there is a group of islands name, we use the West Indies. And sometimes, like turn to page number 40. Okay, and there you can see that before the names of some countries also, if they are words like republic and kingdom, that time we say the United Kingdom, the Ukraine, the Netherlands. Okay, and before the names of certain books like the Vedas, then the Ramayana, the Iliad, the Puranas. Okay, before the names of such books we use the. Then before the names of any unique things, like you know that sun is unique in the world, then moon, then sky. Before the name of such objects we write the sun, the moon, the sky. Okay, the earth. Then number 6 point, you see, with superlatives. So when we write superlative degree, okay, like tallest, biggest, like one example, the tallest boy in the class is Anil. So superlative degree is tallest here, TALLEST. Okay, so superlative degree, whenever we write like tallest, biggest, highest, before the superlative degree we write use the article the. Okay, and there is another point, that is before a proper noun, when it is qualified by an adjective or defining adjectival clause, that is the great Caesar, means it is some adjective given to the person name. Okay, which is given in your book. So Caesar is a great person, so the great Caesar. So we are putting one adjective before the name of that person, and when we are putting that adjective before the adjective, we can use that the great Caesar, the immortal Shakespeare. So before immortal also, we know that Shakespeare is immortal, so immortal before that adjective we can use the. Then again see, then number 7 point, before the ordinals. For example, what we know the ordinals, like the first, the second, these are the ordinals. So example, the first boy got the gift. So before, when we use any ordinals, before the ordinals we write the first. Okay, we use article the. Then before any name of the musical instruments, before musical instruments name, like the guitar, the sitar was played by her. Okay, and in your book also it is given, he can play the flute. Okay, then before an adjective, when the noun is understood, like the poor are always with us. So here the adjective is poor, but it is used as a noun. Okay, that before that we use the article the. And before a noun, to give the force of a superlative, and also as an adverb with comparatives, like the more, the merrier. Okay, so like this, these are the uses of the definite articles. Now there are some more points about the uses of the indefinite articles given in your book in page number 40. Okay, so the indefinite article is used in its original numerical sense of one. Sometimes when the indefinite article is giving the sense of one, we use indefinite article a, like 12 inches make a foot. Not a word was said. A word to the wise is sufficient. A bird in the hand is worth two in the bush. In the vague sense of a certain, like a Kishore Kumar is suspected by the police. One evening, a beggar came to my door. So when it is vague sense of certain thing, that time also we can use the indefinite article. Now turn to page number 41. Here you see, in the sense of any, to single out an individual as the representative of a class. So here also, when we are referring to a class, like a pupil should obey his teacher, means a pupil means all the people, it is referring to all the pupil of a class should obey his teacher. A cow is a useful animal. So though we are writing single, but it is a representative of a class. Then to make a common noun of a proper noun, like a Daniel come to judgment. So here a Daniel is what? A very wise man. Now, so students, there are some extra part given in your book, that is the omission of articles. So omission of the articles, that part is not required for your class. You will learn only up to this, okay, up to page number 41, that is use of the indefinite articles, which I have explained you. So up to this you are going to learn, and then turn to page number 42. Here you will see that one exercise is given, exercise in composition 23. Okay, complete the following sentences by filling in a, an or the as may be suitable. This one is your homework or assignment which I am giving you now. So this you are going to solve it in your copy. Okay, you have to copy all the questions in your language copy, and there you have to write both the copy the question as well as the answer. Okay, so exercise in composition 23, or if you could understand, page number 42 it is. Okay, it is given in page number 42, exercise in composition 23. So whatever you have learned in previous class and in today's class, please go through it once and then solve this exercise. Thank you, students.